You wake up, hour over, we've done it again. The city's in colder and I need her to take my nap. The things of now went into you somehow. The world is rounder than an orange peel. The sun is further than the atmosphere.
Hey guys, so we got a week before our move and we've got boxes everywhere and bare walls, and on top of it today we woke up and he can't talk and my knee is hurting so bad that I can't walk. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with today. So,
let's see, Amen.
you want to see? There's him. And our kids are rambunctious, little ones running all around. So that's what we're dealing with. We had to miss church today because I couldn't walk around with the kids by myself and he's too sick to go. So yeah. Annie, lay down. Where's Daddy's blanket? Calm down, Ammon. Lay down. You gotta put your feet in, Haley. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Where's Haley? Peekaboo. Put your feet in. Haley, stop. You can't push it on him. Not until he's in all the way. Hold on, Haley. Where's Ammon? Peekaboo. Is that Ammon? Haley, you get in. Get in that one. Go back. Move back. Move all the way back. Go back. Yeah. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Yeah, good girl.